Tamaki Makaurau to Puni Kōkiri have been working with Habitat for Humanity for the past 4 years, and they are our provider and who understand the needs of our Māori whānau.
So Habitat's role in the Aotea project was to be the project managers, working alongside Te Puni Kōkiri, Matarahi Limited, and the marae. When we first assessed the homes over on Aotea, they were in a pretty rundown state, not a healthy living environment for those families.
Because things cost so much over here, you try and do things yourself. A lot of things I've built haven't sort of withstood the elements. Trying to keep everything going in here, it's just been hard, but to have it done, it frees me up to do other things with them, and that's all I need, is just that little help.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Hope tōku ingoa. Hello, I'm Hope and this is my home. So the main things for me and my whare, of course, was to do with the roofing of the house, and I wasn't worried if I didn't get anything else. Anything else would have come along, would have been a bonus. All I was worried about was my roof.